times when you might feel aimless and can't see the places where you belong, but you will find that there is a purpose. It's been there within you all along, and when you're near it, you can almost hear it.
So after we pulled with the two groups together, you had a great time, but we had one more person show up after that, and you wanted to pull one more time to see if you could improve your time by adding one person. What did we learn when we pulled again, adding that one person?
Sometimes I feel like we can't make a difference ourselves because we're just one person. But then when we think about the truck pulling example, just one more person made a huge difference. So I think that just us ourselves, we can make a big difference and we don't even realize it.
What one more person could add to the group, or if someone is gone, how the outcome will come.
I think it can also show the importance of having a good attitude or being optimistic about it. If you show up and you're super happy and excited to be there, everyone else is going to be happy and excited to be there, and it can help bring other people closer together and everyone can feel included.
All right, let's do this! Come on! Here we go, come on! Let's beat this team! You got it!
In each one of us, oh, it's glorious. And as you feel the notes build high, you'll see it's like a symphony. Just keep listening, and pretty soon you'll start to figure out your part.